How to change hired staff salary rate on VirtualStaff.ph. Changing the salary rate of your hired staff on VirtualStaff.ph is quick and easy. Just follow the steps below to update your team members' monthly compensation. Step-by-step instructions. Log in to your account. Go to VirtualStaff.ph and log into your employer account. Navigate to My Staff. Once you're logged in, head over to the left-hand menu and click on My Staff. This section displays a list of all the staff you've hired through the platform. Find the staff member. Locate the staff member whose salary you want to change. Click the Edit Pencil icon. In the salary column for that staff member, click the pencil icon to edit their rate. Edit the monthly salary rate. A pop-up window will appear where you can enter the new proposed monthly salary. This is the new salary offer for your staff. If accepted, it will replace their current rate. Important notes: if the new rate is higher, once you confirm the change, the updated salary will automatically update the contractor agreement signed by the staff. No further action is required from you. If the new rate is lower, you cannot reduce a staff member's salary directly. To offer a lower rate, you must terminate the current contract. Then, send a new job offer with the updated salary. The staff must agree to this new offer for it to be valid. Final step: confirm the update. Click the Update button in the pop-up to finalize the new salary rate. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to contact our support team for assistance. We're here to help. Remember, you're always just one virtual staff seat away from reliable, affordable staff.